Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change time zone on TradingView app, and now let's dive right in. Now to change the time zone on the TradingView app, first open up the TradingView app on your phone. And after opening a TradingView app, guys, you land on this interface, which is the watch list of the TradingView app. And at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see the chart button available for us. Tap on the chart button. And when you land on the chart, guys, you can see the time displayed for us at the bottom of the screen over here. You can see this is the time currently. Tapping on the time, there it says 12:45, and on that time bar, tap and hold on that time bar for a moment, and this kind of option will appear again. You can see when I tap and hold on the time bar for a moment, where you can see there is the 1:45. Let's tap and hold on it, and here you can see the time zone. Now in order to change the time zone, you can see there are a lot of time zones over here. You can select your time zone, which is the best for you and suitable for you. With that being done, guys, this is how you will be able to change your time zone on TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.